So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we will celebrate World Environment Day. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा ऑफलाइन क्लास का जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है आज हम इसको शेयर करने वाले हैं. आज हम लोग सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ क्या सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं, वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे को. तो वन बाय वन करके सभी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे आएंगे. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू कम हेयर टू प्रेजेंट योर टॉपिक वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे. मीन्स you already prepared speech and all, okay, and you have make some project also, so you will share your opinions about on world environment day and you will share whatever you create. Okay, so one by one I will call you, so you have to come. Okay, so who will initiate, who will come first? Okay, Tejal. So Tejal, please come on the stage and we will celebrate world environment day. So today क्या है आज? इट्स 5th of June. आज 5th जून है और इस दिन पूरे हमारे कंट्री में जो भी हमने एक वीडियो मॉर्निंग में भी डाला हुआ था इससे पहले, तो आज के दिन हम क्या करते हैं, आज के दिन हम वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे को क्या करते हैं, सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. तो आज हमारे लिए काफ़ी क्या है, यूजफुल डे. किसको? हमारी अर्थ को सेव करने के लिए, फॉर हमारी फ्यूचर अपकमिंग जनरेशंस के लिए. तो इस बार हमारी जो थीम है 2024 की वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे की, क्या थीम है आप लोग को याद है? लैंड रिस्टोरेशन, डेजर्टिफिकेशन एंड ड्रॉट रेजिलियंस. ये हमारी क्या है इस बार की थीम है, 2024 वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे की थीम है. तो इस थीम पे हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे. देखो वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट में सारी चीजें आती हैं. ठीक है, एनवायरनमेंट को कैसे सेव करना है, कैसे कंजर्व करना है, कैसे हमें प्रोटेक्ट करना है. तो उसमें कई सारी चीजें जैसे कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी है. बायोडाइवर्सिटी इज द पार्ट ऑफ अवर एनवायरनमेंट. उसमें सारे लिविंग बींग्स, नॉन लिविंग बींग्स सभी आ जाते हैं उसमें. तो ये इसके बारे में आप डिस्कस कर सकते हो. जो होने वाला पॉल्यूशन है, क्लाइमेट चेंज है, प्लास्टिक पॉल्यूशन से रिलेटेड आप डिस्कशन कर सकते हो, क्लाइमेट चेंज से रिलेटेड आप डिस्कशन कर सकते हो. तो वन बाय वन करके आपको सारा सब कुछ डिस्कस करना है. तो आप लोग वन बाय वन करके स्टेज पे आते जाइएगा और अपने जो भी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज हैं वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पे आपको अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन देते जाना है. और आप लोग अगर इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस देखिएगा. ओके, यस तेजल, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. यू कैन कम विथ योर ट्री. ओके ओके, तो आप थोड़ा सा आगे आगे.
So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Wishing you all a very happy World Environment Day. Today I am here to present a speech based on my theme land restoration. Today we all are here to celebrate the honor of our planet's extraordinary natural heritage. This year focus on all the variety of all the lives form on earth, from the tiniest microbes to the largest mammals. So let's join our hands to make our earth a better place for all. And on this World Environment Day, let's work together to make our earth a greener and cleaner place. So let all the pupils inspire from the World Environment Day to plant more and more trees, reduce waste and stop pollution. Our land is our future. We are the generation of the restoration. So plant more trees to save our Mother Earth and for saving our ocean, to make our ocean blue, our planet green and all the animals safe. So raise your hands, not the pollution. No pollution is only the solution. I hope all the pupils inspire from the World Environment Day and just plant more and more trees and save our Mother Earth and make the earth better place for all. Thank you so much for listening my opinion. And I want to share some quotes. My first quote is, nature is not a place to visit, it is our home. It is written by Gary Leont. And my second quote is, who plants a tree plants a hope. It is written by Larry Ladron. And my last quote is, when trees burn, they leave a smell in the air of their heartbreak. It is written by me. Thank you.
Okay, very good. It's a very nice explanation by Tejal. Okay, Tejal, you can take your seat. Okay, it's a very nice explanation by Tejal. Okay, तेजल ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है. यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने भी प्रेजेंटेशन सुना है, एक बार आप और अच्छे से देखिए. अगर आपने नहीं सुन पाया तो आप रिपीट कर सकते हो. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट हमारा नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर कौन है? ओके, अथर्व. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। आज हम लोग प्लांटेशन भी करेंगे। क्या करेंगे? आफ्टर द क्लास वी विल डू प्लांटेशन। ओके, सो अथर प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is
You can
Athar.
show your project. Tejal, can you create any project? Did you create any project? Okay, okay. It's okay. Athar, please come with your project. Every student, each student, please come with your project. Okay. देखिए, हम अपने नेचर के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, आप लोग को भी सोचना चाहिए। आज नेचर ने हमें इतना कुछ हमारे लिए सेव करके रखा हुआ है, आने वाली जनरेशन्स के लिए सेव करके रखा हुआ है। हमारे भी कुछ ड्यूटी बनती है जो हमें नेचर के लिए क्या करना है। थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके देखिए। सो दिस सीनरी इज क्रिएटेड बाय अथर। सो आप बताइए किस टाइप की सीनरी है, और आज जो भी बच्चे प्रोजेक्ट अपना शेयर करेंगे आप बताइए कि किसका बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट है। उस अकॉर्डिंग हम मार्किंग करेंगे और मार्किंग के बेस पे प्राइज और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करने वाले हैं। ओके ओके, सो आप लोग देखिएगा। देखिए सारे बच्चों ने अच्छा क्रिएटिव आज वर्क बनाया हुआ है, हम लोग आज शो कर रहे हैं, तो आप देखिएगा। लीजिए अथर्व, आप अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को कंप्लीट कीजिएगा, स्टार्ट कीजिए। थोड़ा सा क्लोज कीजिए माइक।
First of all,
लोगों में नहीं देखी है, ये द्वारा बनाई हुई है, अथर्व के द्वारा बनाई।
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Athar Soni, and today I am here to present a topic. As we all know that we are together here to celebrate World Environment Day of 2024. So let's get started. First of all, I will tell you the why we celebrate World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated because of the environment, and nowadays, now generations, they are not taking care of our environment. That's why we celebrate World Environment Day to specify this day on 5th of the June. And next I will tell you the advantages and importance of the environment. Environment is very important for every living being, from microbes to the large scale animals, and also for the mammals it is very important for everyone. And environment is everything that is around us, whether it is biotic or abiotic environment. And I want to tell us that it is beautiful. It is very beautiful to see. If you go outside and see the trees, so you will get the positivity that you cannot get from anything. And you can get also the inspiration that the plant is growing. They don't want anything, they only want water and sunlight to grow. Yes, we can take also the motivation from the plants as they are growing. And suddenly a thought appeared into my mind that if we are the one who can destroy the environment, so we can also the one who can make it better.
Yes.
And next I will tell you my opinion about 2024 themes of World Environment Day. First I will tell you that theme desertification. Desertification is very bad disaster for everyone in the world. Like if the land is desertificated, so we cannot survive, we cannot get water and moisture that we need. And my opinion is that it's very bad for us, and we have to stop it. So next theme is based on that, and the next theme is land restoration. It's the process by which we can plant trees and maintain moisture in the land, and moisture and protect our wet soil, and protect plants. And we can protect and if we plant trees and maintain moisture, so our environment also get better. And my next theme is that drought resilience. I forgot. Drought resilience. It is the consist of the many the containing of soil, wetland, and by the farmers before the rain is called drought resilience. Before the rain, the land got dry, so we have to maintain it and make it better. So that's why the drought resilience is the theme for 2024. And at last I have a quote that it is not your, it's not mine, it's our mother who nourished us.
Means land is our mother. Means it's a very nice explanation by Athar, and clapping for Athar also. Okay. So clapping for Tejal also. Actually I forgot to clapping for Tejal. Okay. So Athar ने एक सबसे अच्छी बात कही. We are one who can create the environment and we are the one who can destroy the environment. Means हम ही हैं जो एक environment को बनाने वाले, हम ही एक single person है जो environment को create करने वाले. तो काफ़ी अच्छा quote है. मीन्स इसी टाइप से आपको क्या करना, अगर हम लोग स्टार्टिंग से ही जस्ट लाइक इफ़ योर बर्थडे विल कम, अगर आपका बर्थडे आएगा तो आपको क्या एक ओथ ले लेनी है. मीन्स ईच बर्थडे और एवरी बर्थडे आई विल प्लांट अ वन ट्री. हम क्या करने वाले हैं, एक ट्री को प्लांट करने वाले हैं. एंड आफ्टर अ ईयर वी विल सी मीन्स इज द ट्री ग्रोइंग जिस लाइक से हम जिस टाइप से हम अपनी पूरी साल भर अपनी परवरिश करते हैं, मीन्स पेरेंट्स हमारी नरिश करते हैं, उसी टाइप से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ओनली एक पेड़, केवल एक ट्री को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, प्लांट कर सकते हैं. और उसको आने वाले अपकमिंग ईयर में जो हमारा टाइम जब है उसमें हम क्या उसको देख सकते हैं. तो काफ़ी अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन थी अथर्व की. नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. देयर इज एन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इशू, नो इशू. ओके, नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज, वी विल मैनेज इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर क्रिस्टी.
Okay, so this is my.
This board is created or made by Christy. आप लोग देख सकते हैं थोड़ा सा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का इशू है, तो आप लोग कैसे क्लियर देख सकते हो आप लोग. ये बोर्ड हम इसके सारे फोटोग्राफ अपने चैनल पे डाल देंगे, कंप्लीट वीडियो बना के, ये आप लोग देख सकते हो. ये हमारा
Yes, sir. So, first of all, hello to all my dear friends. I am Christy Agarwal, and today I am here to present my all opinions about the World Environment Day. And first, I would like to wish you a very happy World Environment Day. So, June 5th is celebrated as the World Environment Day all over the world. It is a day to spread awareness of protecting our Mother Earth from the dryness, and the June 5th was declared as the World Environment Day in 1972 at the Conference of Human Environment, and the first World Environment Day was celebrated on 1973, and every year a different country hosts the theme and the slogan. Okay.
So this year which country hosts the World Environment Day? Saudi Arabia. Okay.
Okay, and every year different country host the theme and a slogan of World Environment Day. This year the theme is the land restoration, desertification and drought resilience, and the slogan is our land, our future, and we are general restorations. And the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will host the theme and slogan of World Environment Day this year. And on this day, every people plant one or more than one trees. So we should also plant some trees to make our motherland beautiful and green, and our we should plant some trees, at least not in the place where there is dryness. You can plant anywhere in your garden, and there is a not only on World Environment Day, you can plant trees on any day, and you can make some groups of 10 people, 5 people, and each people can plant as many trees as they can. And just like if each person will plant 2 trees, so it will be told that your group has plant 10 trees if there is 5 people. And my quote for the World Environment Day is, let us do our small bit to make our motherland beautiful. And when we plant a tree, and then it grow bigger, and when some flowers come out of it, the flowers are the happiness of that plant. This quote is written by me.
Very good. It's a very nice explanation by Christy. Okay, Christy, you can take your seat. Okay. Yes.
And the shape of the world you make by tomorrow is the shape of the world you make today by tomorrow, and you can cherish, and you can plant more and more tree and cherish our Mother Earth by doing this.
Means what will you save today? It will be totally safe for your future generation. Okay, Christy, you can take your seat, and clapping for Christy also. Okay, and it's a very nice explanation by Christy, and it's a very nice quote presentation by Christy. Next performer, Harshit, please come on the stage. Okay, please come with your quote and all. Okay, yes, please come on the stage.
No, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit Agarwal, and today I'm here to giving a short speech on World Environment Day. As we all know that today is World Environment Day, so happy World Environment Day to all. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you the history of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is founded in the year of 1972 by UNEP, United Nations of Environment Programs. Next, United Nations Environment Programs. Next, what is World Environment Day? World Environment Day is one of the global events for the environment. This day acts a platform to bring issues to light of the ecological issues that faced by our planet. This year, Saudi Arabia is the country that hosts 2024 World Environment Day. Now we will come on this year theme. The theme of this year is land restoration and drought resilience and desertification. So first of all, I want to tell you about the land restoration. Land restoration means reviving the land. It refers to the halting degradation process. Now we will come on desertification. Desertification is the process of degradation by which the fertile land changes into the desert itself. Next, drought resilience. Drought resilience can be defined as the capability of the drought issues, like the land is dry without the rain, so we have to maintain it. Next, why is World Environment Day is important for us? World Environment Day is very important for us because on this day we have the opportunity to plant at least one tree. We know that if we plant one tree, so in our world there are so many persons. If every person plant tree, so think how many trees we plant, and we also save trees for our upcoming next generation. So I have a good quote that let plant more and more tree to reduce waste and cherish our world every day. Next, thank you. That's all about my topic.
It's a very nice explanation by Harshit also, and Harshit ने भी काफी अच्छा presentation दिया है, and clapping for Harshit also. Okay. Actually देखिए कई सारी चीजें हैं जिन्हें हम जस्ट लाइक इस बार की जो थीम है, अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रही, फर्स्ट हमारी थीम का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? लैंड रिस्टोरेशन. लैंड, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लैंड रिस्टोरेशन? हमें क्या करना है अपनी, तुम्हारी आज के टाइम में जो लैंड खराब हो रही है उसको हमें रीस्टोर करना है. जैसे हम कई सारी चीजें, उसमें प्लास्टिक है, पॉलीथीन है, कई सारा गार्बेज उसमें डाल देते हैं. कई बार उससे क्या होता है, हमारी क्वालिटी काफी डिग्रेड होती जा रही है. उसके थ्रू क्या हो रहा है कि जो हम फूड की क्वालिटी भी है, ग्रेन्स की क्वालिटी भी है, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लिए क्या हो रही है, हार्मफुल हो रही है. और सेकंड क्या है हमारा, डेजर्टिफिकेशन. मींस इस बार की जो थीम है उसमें डेजर्टिफिकेशन को लिया गया है, क्योंकि कई जगह क्या हो रहा है, मरुस्थलीकरण हो रहा है. मरुस्थलीकरण कब होता है कि जब हमारी जो लैंड है वो क्या हो जाती है, फर्टाइल लैंड कब हो जाती है, बैरन लैंड हो जाती है. तो उससे क्या हो जाता है, डेजर्टिफिकेशन हो जाता है. उससे भी हमें बचाना है. देखो डेजर्टिफिकेशन के भी कई सारे तरीके होते हैं, जैसे कि ओवर, जब हम सिंचाई करते हैं, जब हम पानी देते हैं, ओवर वाटरिंग से भी क्या होता है, हमारी जो लैंड होती है वो क्या होती है, डेजर्टिफिकेशन की ओर मूव कर जाती है. और लास्ट हमारा है ड्रॉट रेजिलियंस. हमें क्या करना है, सूखे से लड़ाई करनी है. आप देख रहे हो अभी गर्मी स्टार्ट हुई, अभी मिडिल ऑफ दी ये हमारा जो टाइम है, समर का टाइम है, इस बार कई सारे प्लेसेस पे क्या देखा जा रहा है, पानी की प्रॉब्लम देखी जा रही है, ठीक है। तो ये 3 हमारी थीम है, इस बार इन तीनों थीम पे हमें वर्क करना है। साल भर में गवर्नमेंट जितना भी वर्क कर पाती है, सऊदी अरेबिया जितना भी कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आ पाती है। चलिए नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मर श्रेय, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। वेयर इज योर कोट?
Hello, I am Shreyan and today I am here to present a short speech on the World Environment Day. So first of all, happy World Environment Day, and today I am here to present speech. So start. World Environment Day is very important for every human being because it creates the awareness about the environment. And if a single human being can not survive without environment, because in environment there are a lot of things, and if a only human being grow a only single plant, so around the population of world is 8.6 billion. So you can think 8.6 billion trees we can grow in a single year. So and it is very good for our environment, and it is supported by many businessmen, government and governor officers, and we know the celebration of the World Environment Day is celebrated on the year of 1973, and it is 2024, and in this year the Saudi Arabia is celebrate this event, and we know the theme of this year is land restoration and drought resilience. And I want to share one quote that is
okay, that's all. It's a very great performance by Shrey. Okay, Shrey has forgot so many things. Okay, next performer Ayush. Actually Ayush will last for today, and next performance will be continue in next video. Okay, yes
sir.
So this is your Ayush code. Okay, it's created by Ayush. It's a very good. Add greenery to environment to make it fresh and alive. Very good.
Hi everyone, I am Ayush Mistry and my topic is World Environment Day. World Environment Day is a United Nations Day for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. Okay, to protect our environment, the 2024 edition of World Environment Day will focus on desertification, land restoration, and drought resilience. And now I will tell you about land restoration. Land restoration is a process of ecological restoration of a site to a natural landscape and safe for humans, plants and animals. So now I will come on desertification. Desertification is a process of ecological desertification of an area who becomes a desert like area. So there is a shortage of water in it, so the people will not be able to drink properly. And now I will come on what a topic, drought resilience.
Yes.
Drought resilience drought resilience is a problem where we face many problems of water. At the time the water is less on earth because of low rainfall. Thank you.
It's a very good and nice explanation by Ayush. Okay, please take your seat. Okay, actually we will perform so next performance in the next video, because it's actually there is a problem of electricity. Okay, so there is a problem of electricity. It's terribly hot also, and we will do and some presentation in next video. Okay, sorry, we will start our presentation now. Okay, electricity has came. Okay, electricity is in power. Okay, just next performer, please come on the stage. Next performer, yes. Okay, no issue. स्टार्ट करते हैं हम, कंटिन्यू. ओके, यस.
Good evening, respected sir and all my.
World Environment Day का free over environment. ये जो ड्राइंग है किसके द्वारा बनाया हुआ है? हार्दिक के द्वारा बनाया हुआ है, ठीक है। आप लोग हार्दिक को भी देख सकते हो, ये इसके द्वारा जो क्रिएट किया हुआ है, ठीक है। क्लैपिंग फॉर हार्दिक, ओके।
Good evening, respected sir and all my dear friends. Today I am presenting World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of our environment. It is our responsibility to protect our environment from the pollution and global warming. That's all.
And it's a very great performance by Hardik, okay. Okay, clapping for this guy. Okay, next performer, please come on the stage. Yes, Hers. देखिए. So where is your coat? Okay, no issue.
Good evening everyone. Today I am presenting about environment. Environment is most important part of our world, because if there would be no trees, so if there would be no trees, there would be no environment, and there would no exist in earth, and there is no food to eat, and there is no water to drink, and we are in this situation, we are not survive in earth. I tell to anyone to grow trees,
Keep silence.
and cut little bit less trees. That's all.
It's a very good performance by Hers. Means we should plant more trees, but we should cut less trees, okay. Yes, Manvi, please come on the stage.
Good evening to all. I am Anvi Shishodia. Today I am here to present World Environment Day topic. So I didn't make. So first of all, that happy World Environment Day to all. Now I am telling the topic. World Environment Day is annually celebrated on 5th June. It is supported by so many non-governmental business organization, etc. We know that our environment is in danger because of pollution, because all the components of environment such as hydrosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, all are the trapped with the layer of pollution. And the increasing level of pollution, forest fires, volcanic eruption is damaging the condition of environment. We can't imagine the life without air, water, soil, and the also biotic components are also very important for us, because they give us food, and also they purify the air around us. Over the year, the event established itself as a platform to create awareness related to environment issues such as air and water pollution, value of food, sea level increase among others. And also the main reason to celebrate the World Environment Day is that to bring change in nations and policies related to environment. In my view, it is our responsibility and our duty to save environment, and therefore we can work together toward a greener and healthy future. That's all about my topic, and I want to say and quote. Yes. The best and most beautiful thing in the world can't be seen. It is felt by the heart. It is written by Helen Keller. That's all.
मीन्स कई सारी चीज़ें जिन्हें हम नहीं देख सकते हैं, जो हम इसको क्या फील कर सकते हैं हर्ट से. जस्ट लाइक हमारा इन्वायरमेंट है, जिसे कई बार जैसे कि फ्रेश एयर है, मीन्स जब बारिश होती है फर्स्ट टाइम, जब मिट्टी की जो खुशबू आती है उसे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, फील ही कर सकते हैं. तो कई सारी ऐसी सिचुएशन होती हैं जो एनवायरनमेंट हमें दिया है आज के टाइम पे. आज जो भी हमें बिकॉज ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, अगर मान के चलिए कि ऑक्सीजन नहीं होती, हवा पानी नहीं होता, अगर सन नहीं होता या ट्रीज नहीं होते, तो क्या हमारी लाइफ सर्वाइव हम कर पाते? वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. ओके, yes, Sumit, please come on the stage. Just you can take the mic. ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाया तो आप लोग नाइस एंड ब्यूटीफुल प्रोजेक्ट बाय.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Sumit. Today.
Yes, it's a very nice and very good project created, beautiful project created by Sumit. Okay, Sumit, you can start your speech.
Good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I will present a environment day topic.
Okay.
Today our celebration in environment in 5th of June. The Environment Day is including to in living space in years, water and soil. There was a including to earth environment. There was a very importance for humans and animals. The human activities is a deforestation and pollution. There was a very harmful in environment and deforestation. I will plant a trees. So, that's all. I will send a quote. Plant a. I am sharing a quote. Plants a tree, save our life.
We should save plants, and if we save plant, so we should save our environment. And if we should save our environment, so directly or indirectly we can say our life will be saved. Yes. Yes, Harshit, please come on the stage.
First of all, good evening everyone. This is Harshit Yadav from Vidarbha. So today is World Environment Day. In this occasion, I prepare a presentation on World Environment Day. So let's start with a beautiful quote. The quote is, Earth is not belong to us. We belongs to Earth. So let's start my presentation. World Environment Day campaign was established to bring some positive environment. In this occasion, we celebrate the day with planting the trees. This day is celebrated for the protection of our environment and wildlife. We should plant one tree at least in a week. If our environment is good, so our lifestyle and health is also good. In India, 10% of land is dry. In this case, we should do land restoration. Land restoration means to protect our land. Environment gives us everything without our asking. Thank you. I will end this presentation with a quote. The quote is, we don't have a society if we destroy the environment. Thank you.
And very nice explanation by Harshit. Okay, no issue. Next performer, please come on the stage. Yes, Divyans. Okay. Chaliye, next performer, please come on the stage. Yes. It's created by Divyans. Save tree, save earth. It's a very good. Okay. Save tree and save earth. Okay. Next, Lijay. Yes. Yes, Divyans. You can start your speech.
Good evening to everyone. Good evening to everyone. My name is Divyan Rawat. So today we will represent on speech.
Yes, yes.
Today we will represent a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. It's aim to raise global awareness of our environment, and our environment give an opportunity to save the environment, because in this time we can see also dehydration problem, and also temperature going on 47 to 48 degrees. And World Environment Day is take place the worldwide, and over 140 country is known to celebrated World Environment Day, and it is celebrated on 5th June, and the National United Nations is dedicated to 5th on June is celebrated by the name of World Environment Day. And our crucial is our responsibility to save our planet, because save our planet. And this year World Environment theme is our land, our future, and we are land restoration and urgent need, and drought resistance and desertification, and we can grow more and more tree to our safe land, because our nature is good, so our health is also good. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Very good. So next performer, please come on the stage. Who will perform next? Okay. Actually, it's very terribly hot. Actually, there is no electricity and it's a very electricity problem in our area. Yeah. Last performance. Garb, okay. So Garb has created this one. That's very good.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in 8th standard. Today I am presenting a speech of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is celebrated all across the world. It is celebrated of promote the protections and conservations of the environment. First World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June 1974. This day is also focused on issues like land restorations, desertifications, and drought resilience. This day is an opportunity for the world to come together the environmental issues. School, college, government and non-government organized plant sapling on this day. Many programs are organized to aware people about the organized on the environment.
That's all. It's a very good performance by Garb. Okay, that's all. Now we have completed this topic here. Okay, and actually next performer जो भी होगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे. ओके, सो आप अगर आपको अच्छी लगी वीडियो, मींस जिन भी बच्चों ने प्रेजेंटेशन दी है आप देख सकते हो कि किसकी प्रेजेंटेशन आपको सबसे बेस्ट लगी, आप कमेंट करके बता सकते हो. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ मिलते हैं. जब तक आप जुड़े रहिएगा हमारे चैनल से और ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए वीडियो को, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिएगा. ओके.